Today, we're diving into the OS2 LC single-mode fiber patch cables from FiberCablesDirect. These Duplex 0.5M cables are engineered with Corning optical fiber cores and ceramic ferrule LC connectors, ensuring high bandwidth and low loss for efficient data transmission. With a sturdy PVC jacket and zip core design, they're perfect for environments demanding durability and reliability. Ideal for a wide range of applications including education, corporate networks, military, government, healthcare, finance, and more. These cables meet rigorous standards with their OFNR riser rating. The 9-1-25M core cladding configuration facilitates optimal light transmission, utilizing total internal reflection to maintain signal integrity over distances. Whether you're setting up a new network or upgrading existing infrastructure, these cables provide a cost-effective solution backed by a lifetime warranty. Their yellow-colored, 2.0mm outer diameter makes them easy to identify and manage in complex installations. If you're looking for the best in single-mode fiber optic connectivity, FiberCablesDirect's OS2 LC patch cables offer performance, reliability, and peace of mind. Stay tuned as we explore more features and practical applications of these essential fiber optic patch cables.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.